This video shows how to buy shares of IQVIA Holdings Inc., a global health data, analytics, and clinical research services company. IQVIA trades on the NASDAQ under the ticker IQV. This is an educational guide and not financial advice, and investments carry risk. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can make a purchase. Open the platform search bar and type the ticker IQV to find IQVIA Holdings Inc. Select the matching result to open the dedicated stock page and avoid similarly named listings. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is IQVIA Holdings Inc. Make sure it shows the NASDAQ listing and the IQV ticker before moving to an order. To place an order, click Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest and select available order options such as Market or Limit. Review the order details carefully and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your order executes, you will see the IQV position in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is provided in the description below if you want to follow these steps.